This time on Low Boost, we get a fuel injection system for our 1953 Ford F100 pickup truck. We are in the process right now of putting everything together on our 1953 Ford F100 pickup truck. But the real question was, in the battle that I had with my dad, is he wanted a carburetor, and I'm just done with all that old school stuff, dealing with float bowls and jets and all that crap. So we ended up going with FiTech's EFI system, and we got the full master kit. It really comes with everything that you need to switch your car to fuel injection. Now, they come with a couple of different options. Let's say your car was carbureted and you upgraded to a different ignition system and you don't want to actually rip out all the ignition stuff, you just want to add fuel injection. Well, they sell these kits that don't have timing in with them, so that way you can actually keep your old ignition system, or if you just want to use the old school timing light, you can do that as well. But this kit actually comes with everything that has electronically controlled timing, and this also is auto-tuned. They even have a great heads-up display that you can mount in your car that comes with a suction cup, and it also has a wideband O2 sensor so it can handle the self-tuning, or if you're going to take it to a dyno and get everything done. This kit is also designed for, they have multiple different horsepower levels, so you have a 400 horsepower throttle body all the way up to a 1200 horsepower throttle body, and some of them are good for power adders like nitrous, superchargers, and turbos. This is the 600 horsepower power adder kit. So this kit, we could even run a turbocharger, supercharger, or even some little happy gas which we might add on to it, because this can actually support it. Big thanks to FiTech for actually sending us this unit, really be able to take this F100 pickup truck into the modern day with modern day fuel injection. So really excited to get started. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because through the process of adding all this stuff to the truck, I'm gonna document my experiences with it and kind of show you guys all the how-tos and tips and tricks on how to put this on your vehicle. So obviously this kit is specifically designed for a 351 Windsor, but you can actually get these kits to go on any LS-based platform, and they even come with intake manifolds that'll go right over on for an LS platform too. So this is not just Ford limited. You could get these for just about any domestic application. So this master kit also comes with all of the fuel lines, the AN fittings. They have their own fuel filter and really good quality AN stuff. And I know I've always argued, if you buy eBay AN fittings, they will leak, but this is quality stuff that they've put in this package. So we got the digital display that also goes with it. They even gave us a cool suction cup to mount it in the car, wideband O2 sensor, and all the harness. And it also comes with a basket for the fuel pump with the filter, and they even include the fuel pump in with this kit. So it's a one-stop shop. Everything is done for this setup. So the only tricky part that we're really gonna have with this build is, as opposed to my E36 Turbo LS swap, which I didn't really care if the engine bay was super clean, we had a lot of extra time and effort to have that flush firewall, and they had to actually make the firewall indented like that to actually fit the 351 Windsor. So we're gonna try to do as clean of a wire tuck as we can installing this harness. So there are some spots on the truck that we can kind of tuck things away, but the 351 Windsor, even though it's a small block Ford, it is a little bit bigger than a 302 as far as the deck height and the width of it, but there's still a lot of space in this thing to actually run our wires through. Now we already have our steering column in, and there's some places that we can get up underneath here that can come through. And we are going to use the old dashboard, but the digital dash we might tuck away when we don't need it, but we can still have it if we have to do any adjustments on the fly. That about wraps it up for this episode. Make sure you guys stay up to date on all the uploads and all the cool different projects that we have going on the channel. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.